In this video, you'll be learning how to show your side panel or where to see your side panel here in Google Sheets. So your side panel is where you will see some add-ons or other integrated apps on your Google Sheets. So where do we find this? Just go to the bottom right of your spreadsheet right here where it will tell you to show side panel. If you click on it, here we have it. So here in this side panel, you have your calendar, your Keep, your tasks, your contacts, and your Google Maps. And just below that will be any add-on that you have added or installed here in Google Sheets. Here in my example, I have two add-ons, which is the time diff that I've used to calculate the duration for this spreadsheet right here. And I also have my trip tally add-on, which calculates the distance and the time travel between two places. So if you don't see your add-ons here in the extensions, you'll probably see them right here on the side panel. Again, you can hide that and show it. Just click on the bottom right corner right here to see your side panel. And there you have it. So that's how you can show your side panel here in Google Sheets along with your add-ons or your extensions. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to check out the videos that I've created on how to use these add-ons. We have those two videos. The first one would be how to calculate the time difference between dates, and the second video would be how to calculate the distance between two places. And again, I'll be leaving a card at the top right corner for you to check out later. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.